Okay, so good morning, mate. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good. First morning here in Bali for this visit, so yeah, pretty good.
First morning, all right.
Yeah.
So you just arrived last night, did you?
I arrived yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, right. So what area are you staying in? Kuala, Legian,
staying up at top end of Legian there, so
right.
yeah, take kids out for a morning walk this morning because we're adjusting the time.
Say hello.
Say hi. She's not normally this shy.
So how long is your holiday here in Bali?
I'm staying for about 2 weeks, just under 2 weeks. So
that's a good holiday.
Yeah.
So where are you from? What state in Australia?
From Melbourne, Victoria.
Melbourne?
Yep,
right.
so southeastern suburbs of Melbourne, so yep, a lot colder there at the moment.
Yes, right, it's coming on winter, isn't it?
Yeah.
I suppose it nearly is full on winter, isn't it?
Oh, it was
another month or something.
I think it was about 1 degree there this morning. So.
Oh, really?
Yep.
It's that cold already?
Yeah, frost is starting, so yep.
Well, this will be a good change for you.
Yeah.
So how many times do you think you've been to Bali before?
It's my third trip. Yeah.
Third trip?
Yeah,
right.
First time in 6 years.
It's the first time. Oh, you come just before COVID, I suppose?
Yeah.
Can you notice any changes since then, like in prices or?
Just in prices, just in general Bintang, I've noticed at the moment. Food prices as well, they've gone up a little bit. But yeah, we haven't really done much shopping or anything yet, so can't really say much about that. So, yeah.
So what sort of itinerary have you got while you're here? You going to do any travelling around the island or?
Just the normal touristy things with the kids, go to the marine park, maybe the zoo, just take as it comes pretty much, just a bit of chill time. So, yeah, just see how it goes really.
So when you come, do you always stay here on the west coast, like around Kuala, Legian? Do you ever go to Sanur or anywhere?
Oh, we normally stay around Legian with the kids as well. We have to stay somewhere a bit more roomier at the moment, but we normally go over to Nusa as well.
Oh, right. Very nice, isn't it, there?
Absolutely love it over there. So each time we come, we normally go over there, but with the kids this time, we're just going to stay around Legian. So.
All right. Yeah. Although I think they'd love it over there, actually.
Yeah. Oh, they certainly would, but probably
it's not as hectic with the traffic and stuff like that, you know.
So might do a day trip out there, see how it goes.
Yeah, right. Day trip, sort of pretty busy for a day trip. I think if you're going there, you may as well stay a couple of nights. But if you've been there before, anyway. So
yeah, exactly. So yeah.
All right. So do you think you'll be back to Bali?
Yeah, most likely, certainly. Yep.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So is this your kids' first time to Bali, is it?
Yes. So the little one, the eldest was 10 months old at the time for her first trip.
Oh, right. Yeah,
but
she wouldn't remember.
Yeah, well, she claims she does. So she already owns a joint as well, as you could probably tell. So
yeah, right. Well, kids love a change, don't they? They explore. All right. So good morning, mate. How are you?
Good, mate. How you going?
So you're Australian. Where are you from?
Yeah, Hunter Valley, mate.
Hunter Valley?
Yeah, mate.
All right. The wine country, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. So you drink a lot of wine? Do you like it yourself? Or?
Oh, I have one now and then.
One now and then?
Yeah.
So you're in Bali, it's a holiday or you're living here?
Holiday, mate, but come over for a wedding. Yep.
Oh, a wedding, all right. Yeah. So there's a big group of you here?
Oh, there is, but we're just with ourselves at the moment. The wedding's today, so we're heading out today. Yep.
So how long are you going to spend in Bali on your holiday?
6 days.
6 days?
Yeah.
All right. So you mainly only come just for the wedding? Or?
Yeah, really. Probably wouldn't have come at all otherwise.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good excuse to get away from home for a few days, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
So you haven't got any other itinerary, you're just going to relax apart for that?
Yeah, we'll catch up with people at the wedding today and make some plans from there, yeah.
All right. Yeah. So how many times have you been to Bali before?
First time, mate.
First time?
Yeah, mate.
All right, you're a rare species. One of the only Aussies that have never been to Bali before.
Yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah.
So what do you think of it so far?
Yeah, really nice. Like, better than I expected. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. A few beers last night when we got here, and a couple of foods, and good.
So what do you think about the price of beers compared to Australia? I'm not sure what beer costs in Australia anymore. Like, what's like a schooner or something worth these days?
Oh, mate, if you get a cheap one, you're paying about $6 or $7.
Oh, 6 or 7. Well, that's probably all right.
That's a cheap one at a club or something like that. Yeah.
Probably the same here. If you went to the clubs, it'd be at least $5 or $6, I suppose. Yeah. But on the beach, I think they're $3, about $3 or something.
Yeah, right.
So, anyway, all right. Well, that's sort of how we assess the price of different countries by the price of rice. They say by the price of rice, but it's really for us it's the price of beer.
Yeah.
All right, mate. Anyway, have a good holiday and nice to meet you.
Yeah, all the best, mate. Have a good one.
So good morning, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Good, how are you?
So you're Aussies, where are you from in Australia?
Gold Coast.
The Gold
Queensland,
Coast.
yeah.
I'm from Tweed myself, actually.
Oh, are you? How long you been here for?
29 years.
Oh, wow,
So-
really?
Yeah. So what part of the Gold Coast are you from?
Well, just behind Movie World.
All right.
So,
well,
like,
my sons
Oxenford's
live in
Coomera.
Coomera, just
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there,
Oh,
right,
yeah.
right near. Yeah.
Oh, we're not far from there.
All
yeah.
right. Yeah.
We
I've got
just
two
got here.
Balinese sons that live in Australia. They both live there.
Oh, no.
So they've done their schooling there and their apprenticeship.
Yeah.
One's just finished their apprenticeship, one's to start a uni in Brisbane. So,
Cool.
yeah.
We just got here yesterday.
Yeah.
All right. So is this your first time to Bali or
No, probably
No.
about 15 or something.
15
Yeah,
times?
quite a few.
We haven't been because the kids are growing up and all that, but we're all
So
older
this
now.
is your lovely daughter?
Yes.
Hello.
One off.
One
She's a
off.
bit shy
so
for
we're
an
a bit,
interview.
we're a bit older now, so.
So 16, so that's what we're here this time.
All
And
right.
our 20-year wedding anniversary.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, how long are you here for in Bali this time?
8 nights.
8 nights?
Yeah.
All right.
We're staying at Three Brothers.
Oh, the three brothers. So,
it's-
in Legian, there,
Yeah.
nearly the border at Seminary.
It's really nice. It's in amongst everything because I love shopping. I love foot massages.
Oh, you do. Listen, let
Yeah.
me zoom in on the
Yeah.
shopping bit. Come on. Come on.
Shopping.
Hey?
Shopping.
Shopping.
Yes.
And what are you going to do?
Pay.
Beer.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Oh, whatever. But yeah, love it.
So, yeah. So what, have you got any type of itinerary? Are you just going to relax or you got anything interesting you're going to do?
No,
or-
well, this is 7 years since we've had our first family holiday.
All right.
So thanks to
Anyway.
thanks
We have
to
separate holidays, but this one's we're actually all together. So.
yeah, thanks to our daughter's friend Caitlin. She's looking after our dogs and everything. So
All right. Yeah, that's a bit of a tough one when you
It is.
travel, isn't it?
Yeah,
But-
animals, things like that. So
Yeah.
usually, she goes somewhere, I'll go somewhere.
Yeah.
Somebody
But
looks
8
after the
years,
dogs or
like
whatever,
that's the
but-
first time we've had one since his 50th. Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's good.
But,
All right,
I was in Bali too.
So it's
Yeah.
your 20th year anniversary, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? You must be having a special night or something, or what?
Apart from having the bedroom to ourselves, that's great. No, I don't
Well,
know.
see, chicks still jump in bed in the morning, don't you, for a snuggle? Right.
We've all
You
got
got
our
our
own
own room.
rooms now, so it's great. But
More family rooms.
no, we're
you
going to
got their own
go
room.
to a 5-star restaurant, a hotel type thing in Nusa Dua.
Oh, Nusa
So
Dua.
it's $85.
Well, that's pretty cheap.
You get an hour of cocktails and then you go
Oh,
for
like for
3
the-
hours.
for the dinner?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
All right.
Banika.
3 hours.
It's Banika brunch. It's called Banika
All right.
brunch. Do it every time I come. It's amazing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so we're going to do that for her, and it's actually on Sunday for her birthday.
Oh,
on her
so
16th.
It's like a birthday anniversary type
celebration.
thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Our anniversary was in April, but we came anyway.
All right. Oh, well, it sounds like you're going to have a good time, mate.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Well, anyway, it's really nice to meet you and
Yeah.
hope you have a great
We'll have
holiday.
to find
Cool.
your. We'll have to
Nice
find
menu.
what your channel is.
Yeah, I'll give you a sticker. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's all right.
All right. So, good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
So, you're Australian. Where are you from?
Geelong, Victoria,
All right.
Melbourne.
There's a lot of Victorian people here at the
Yeah, I
moment.
know.
Must be the coldest area in Australia at the moment.
It is.
So, what are you doing in Bali?
Just relaxing, having a holiday.
So, how long are you here for?
Just 9 days.
9 days?
Yeah,
Well, that's long enough, yeah.
yeah.
And how you flew over from Geelong, from Melbourne, yeah?
Yeah.
What's the price of an air ticket these days from Australia?
You can get them on special, you get them for about 800 return.
800?
Or, yeah,
All right.
maybe 700 return if you get them on special
All right.
with Jetstar. Otherwise, it's about, probably about 1,000 maximum.
All right, really? Is it that much now? Is it?
Yeah, maybe. If you get them on special, you might get them, as I said, for about 500 or 600 maybe, actually, yeah.
Yeah, right.
But if not, yeah,
Yeah,
it's
right.
probably about $800 with all your luggage and stuff, if you get luggage.
Right. So have you got any like itinerary right here? Going to do anything special
No,
travel?
I've been
or-
here 45 times.
You've
so it's
been
just,
here 45
it's just
times.
like me.
You're a local
yeah,
already.
It's just like my annual holiday, relaxing holiday.
All right.
Yeah.
So what year was the first year that you come to Bali?
1983, 83.
Wasn't it good back then, eh?
Yeah, I know.
It was
Very
paradise.
different, very different.
Oh, I think I come first time 79
Yeah.
and then right through the 80s, you know.
Yeah,
And that was definitely the best time.
it was different, wasn't it?
Well, there was none of this here.
No, no.
It was just
This
coconut
is
trees
nice.
and
This
sand
walk, though.
dunes
This
and
beach walk's nice though.
yeah, they sort of done this during COVID.
It's
and,
lovely, yeah. No, it's good.
But none of those. The 80s to me, that's You know, it's so sad seeing what's happened here
I know.
with tourism
I know.
since the 80s,
I know.
because, you know, that definitely was the best time for
Yeah, that's
Indonesia and for Bali, yeah, for sure.
it.
So you think you'll be back? I suppose you will.
Yeah, I've already got 2 booked for next year, April and June.
All right.
Sometimes I go over to Nusa Dua or Sanua for a change,
All
just
right.
for a bit more.
Sanua's a
upmarket.
very nice area
Yeah, it's beautiful,
now.
Sanua.
Yeah.
Nusa Dua is probably a little bit quiet, but if you're staying in one of those really nice resorts, all
Yeah.
inclusive, it's great.
How's when you go through the gates at Nusa Dua? It's like a different world in there,
I know,
isn't it?
I know.
It's just like manicured gardens,
It's
and
beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful.
If the whole of Bali was like that, this would
It'd
be
be
the
beautiful.
biggest tourist destination in the world,
I know.
for sure.
No,
yeah.
it's nice to go somewhere different, but we don't. If we're just doing normal, just relaxing one, it's usually just down here,
Yeah, right.
which is great.
I
Yeah.
found a lot of people these days are heading to Sanua for their
Yeah,
holiday,
yeah.
and you know, it's sort of flat, and it's close to the beach, all
That's
the
it.
places, and
I like to do both, like a combination of, well, not this time, but like Nusa Dua for a few days, then back here for a few days.
all right,
The
yeah.
accommodation here is as cheap as chips and it's expensive as anything over
Yeah,
there,
well-
so it's like a bit of both, you know.
Right, yeah.
it's
Oh,
good.
you got to treat yourself a little
That's
bit,
it.
don't you?
Exactly right. Yep.
Oh, well, anyway, I hope you have a good holiday, and
Thank you.
thanks for your time.
No worries. Thank you. Thanks.